Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bob token. Name of the token is Bob, ticker symbol is Bob. Now this is a play off of the Pepe token. This token is doing amazing though today. It's up 162.48% right now according to CoinMarketCap. Just got listed on CoinMarketCap about a day or two ago. Fairly new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Bob token just got listed recently on CoinMarketCap. Right now it's up 183.43%. Doing amazing right now. You can find their full web page, white paper, all this stuff on here. They have a link tree. So linktree/Bob token is where you could find all the links. They also have bobishere.co is their official web page. They have their Etherscan listed on here, their block explorer. So according to their Etherscan, right now they have 2,619 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 690 billion tokens. So yeah, they're doing very well. Over 2,600 holders so far. So they have a full white paper available on CoinMarketCap. They have a Twitter, which is at BobETH token. You can always find that in the corner on the screen here in these videos that I do. And at BobERC portal on Telegram. They also have a GitHub price chart, contract address. All that is available here on CoinMarketCap. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Bob token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan, or you can find it on their webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, there's going to be also a little bit of network fees and gas fees when it comes to Uniswap as well. So who is Bob? Well, this is Bob, and Bob is here to explain. So, about Bob. Everyone loves Bob. Remember that What About Bob movie? Bill Murray? Classic. Everyone loves Bob. Elon loves Bob. So here's a tweet. It says, Bob is here to explain Twitter does not want to sell their database, and the idea of taking away ads is not good. A good way to make money. And then Elon replied to this tweet supposedly, I didn't see the real tweet, saying, I love Bob. So this is where this whole project comes from. It's just Elon Musk replying to a random Twitter, Bob is here to explain, saying he loves Bob. So here we are. Now we have the Bob token. That's crypto for you right there. So yeah, when in doubt, ask Bob. He simply knows it all. He is here for you. In his humble demeanor, he will blow you away. Why even go see your doctor if you have Bob? Your wife, your husband giving you trouble? Go see Bob. You have constipation? Go see Bob. You don't know where you're going in life? See Bob. I mean, let's get real here. Who doesn't like Bob? So, anyways, that's in a nutshell who Bob is. I mean, I still don't know who Bob is. He looks kind of like a human, but with no ears, giant lips, and then he's just all of a sudden the same colors as Pepe, like he's a frog or something. And he's got no hair. So, he's like a human frog. I guess that's it. Okay, so how to buy Bob, in case you didn't understand what I said about Uniswap. If you go on their white paper, they give you a step-by-step of how to use your MetaMask wallet or laptop to buy Bob. So the Bob tokenomics, 100% liquidity locked, it says. 690 billion total supply, like I said, and it says 0% tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, most likely you will not have to set slippage. So the future of meme coins, taking over the space with Bob. The Bob token will take over the meme space by surprise. It was stealth launched and locked for 690 months, about 57 years. I don't know if that's true, but okay. With a renounced contract. We'll have to check that. Looks like there may be a link to that where you can actually check it too here as well. Looks like there's a address. You can check that out. Renounced contract. So Bob's knowledge will blow you away, even the most prominent scholars. So there is a chart you can check out, but I mean it's on CoinMarketCap now, so you can just see the chart on there. But yeah, not a lot of info on their webpage and white paper. Just be aware that I do not see a full audit. I do not see a SAFU badge. I do not see a KYC or a team doxed or ask me anythings or anything like that. So I don't see that. Now, if we go over to their Twitter, 143 tweets. I bet you they're mostly memes. That's what I would guess right off the bat. So 6,823 Twitter followers, and they just joined in April 2023. So they're doing very well on Twitter. All the links are in their pinned tweet if you want to check that out as well. Now, I did see that there was a listing here that they were going to be listed on a central exchange soon. So let me scroll down. I will find that here. I posted it. I will post it in the thumbnail as well for this video. Oh, okay. So it says, new listing alert. Bob token will be listed on Deepcoin soon. So if you ever heard of Deepcoin, it's probably one of them very lesser exchanges, a tier 3 or 4, whatever, however you want to put it. It might be a great exchange. I've never used it, but it is being listed on Deepcoin, it says. And actually, it is listed on Deepcoin already. It got listed on the 18th. So it didn't have that listed on CoinMarketCap, but you can get this token off of Deepcoin, it says, and it is paired with USDT. Also, it had a decentralized exchange, I believe, on besides Uniswap on CoinMarketCap. And it says it is listed also on OpenOcean. So you can get it on OpenOcean and Uniswap, as well as Deepcoin. So those are 3 different places you can get this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.